I can't promise that.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
It's another tractor. What you doing, bud? Oh wait, I gotta go right. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Way to be such a I saw what you did there. You're not innocent. She really moved. I wasn't going to go in front of her, but she moved over all the way just to be sure I wasn't going to go in front of her. You, ma'am, are congratulations. You're the first of 2020. How do you feel? I've always wanted to be the first so I'm a nice rider, but if you do something to make me mad, then I will ride your I will make you feel uncomfortable, or I'll just stare at you. I saw what you did. You're not innocent. You know I'm right here. You know I'm right here. They get all straight. They're like, I'm not looking over. I'm not looking over. I know he's there, but I'm not looking over. Let's go! I gotta pee again. I still gotta pee. It went away and now it's back. Maybe I just need to get my adrenaline up so my pee goes away. I have the bladder of a freaking peanut, I swear. Is it possible to get a bladder transplant? Like, can I get a bigger bladder? I got some research to do tonight. Don't throw. Bum, bum. Oh, so this is the road I love to rip. Absolutely love to rip. But I can't rip it because it's wet and I don't even have tires. Like, my tire's bald. You can't really see it, but it's bald. I promise. I see something flapping up there. What are you? Probably geese. It's geese. Watch this. 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 Wow. 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 They didn't do anything. They looked at me like, what? We are not scared. Geese, goose, geese. Wait, what's the plural noun of it? Geese, goose? No, it's geese. It's geese. Okay, yeah. Geese are scary. I was in a parking lot one time, and I guess this goose had eggs. It had a little nest, and I like ran up on the goose. The goose ran at me, and I was like, oh shit! And I ran back to the car, and I was like, guys, you gotta get out of here! Mama Goose was not playing it with me. She was not playing any games. It's still wet, but I want to rip it. I'm doing 52. I can literally do double the speed around this corner. That's a lot of pots. My fingertips are kind of getting cold. That's not good. Oh, because I have little air nostril thingies up here. We'll just stuff one behind my leg and ride with one hand. Don't do as I do, do as I say. Curves ahead. No crap. You can't just drive straight forever unless you're going like across the country. I'm pretty sure it's just straight. Woo! This is where I like to go fast because I can drag knee. Bang this corner, you're like, yeah! And I usually do like 90 to 100 around that corner. This is all like in a video game. So if you're a cop and you're watching this, I'm talking about in a video game that is portrayed as this, and it looks pretty real. It sounds real. It's kind of peaceful when you're not going fast all the time. Well, anyway, if you're enjoying this, how about you give me a nice, juicy, thick thumbs up for me and turn on the bell notification so you know when I drop, because I will drop, and then you'll know and you can go watch it. So if you're at dinner, you're like, oh mom, I gotta go, I gotta dip, I gotta watch it right now. Like 2 bites into your meal, you get grounded, but you watch the video. That's what's important, and you got a good laugh out of it. That's honestly the goal. Everybody says like this, like you guys comment like these videos make me so happy, they like make my day, and I'm like, yes, that's literally like, I love nothing more than that response. Like, that is the best possible feeling that you guys give me, and you guys inspire me to do more, because I want to make you guys happy. So why not do it more? It's so pretty out here, except for all the dead trees. Oh wait, I don't know where I'm going. I still gotta pee. I'm gonna meet up with Gavin. Roads are freaking wet, man. Anyway, I'm gonna ask him if I can like pee somewhere, hopefully. Ford Racing, true blue racing parts. All your parts blue? And are they true? That rhymes. Hello. Oh wait, I have no clue where I'm going. Shoot, I should probably get on my phone. I think it's a little bit further, I think. I don't know, man. I have no clue. What road is this? I don't know your name. I'll pull over anyway. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, that's someone's house. Wow. When you're not going fast and a car goes by you, they're fast as crap. It scared the crap out of me. It's like, yeah. Oh. I gotta pee. Oh my gosh, it's coming. It's so close. F my life. Hopefully that my phone doesn't fall out. Oh my gosh, dude. Are you kidding me? No, turn off Siri. Siri, stop it. I need to know where I'm going. Oh, I hate you. Why are you a thing? You have never helped me, Siri. Oh, it makes it worse because she can hear me. Turn off. Wait, no, don't turn my phone off. I don't know where I'm going. I think this is it. Let's see if I can take my glove off. Shoot, I don't know what to do with my glove. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, we're on the right road. Word. Can I put my glove back on? Maybe. It's cold. Yay! Yeah! Oh, that's a big freaking dog! Holy crap! Oh shoot, did I go by it? No, don't tell me I have to go back to it. Dude, that's a big dog! Ah! That dog is massive. Is he peeing right now? Oh, he's already barking. Where's the freaking... It's okay. It's okay, bud. I don't know where I'm going. Just leave me alone. Oh, it's over here. There's so many dogs. Oh, jeez. Oh, they're all friendly. They're all labs. They're all cute. Word. Was good. Hi. I will be. I can't promise that.